Kung malinaw na sila, everybody say, alright! Everybody's excited, so now I give you none other than Felip! Say hello to them, bro.
Hello sa inyo lahat dyan. Sobrang aga daw kanina. I was shocked kasi bakit ang aga nyo? Sana kumain na kayong lahat.
Kumain na kami.
Mainit sa labas ngayon. So, yeah, stay safe everyone. And yun lang naman, stay safe. I want you to be safe always.
Yes, sir. Malaking bagay sa kanila, Felip, yung appreciation mo. Tama ka.
Yeah, at saka sana nagbaong kayo ng tubig to keep yourself
Kami dito.
hydrated.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sabi nga nila kanina, 7 a.m. pa lang na nag-aayos ng barricade. Meron ng mga nauna para sila yung nasa front rows. Alright, 18 and wishes palakpakan nyo naman yung mga sarili ninyo. Really, we appreciate you for all your support. And let's get down to business, bro. Kamusta naman yung experience sa pag-shoot ng dalawang music videos for Closeup?
It was a good experience for me. Kasi, ano po I have to, smile talaga ako doon.
Yes, sir.
And I was just like genuinely smiling all the time. And hindi dahil kailangan ko mag-smile because of the shoot. Genuine smile. I think it's really important. And, hindi ako palagitin na tao. But, natutunan ko mag-smile just because of that shoot.
Awesome stuff. Now, tanong ko naman, paano ka tinulungan ng Closeup na mag-express ng sarili mong artistry and sarili mong vibe through, those two versions ng movie Closeup?
It's really good kasi we did jazz type of genre sa isa, yung sa From the Cafe na version.
Cafe version.
And it's not something that, that I do. So, as an artist, I feel like I will grow ako just diving into some music. And meron din kami ginawa na parang pang-Christmas, very upbeat naman siya. Super happy na title, music. And different talaga silang dalawa. So doing both of those genre, feel ko na may nalagdag na skill sa akin or something like that.
Yes, sir. Of course, P-pop, yung rock and punk. Diba? Nadaanan mo na yan ngayon. Parang may holiday jingle through the lounge version and jazz naman dun sa cafe version. Again, for everybody's information, just to reiterate, yung cafe version po in line with Team Intense Red. Yung namang lounge version, of course, in line with Team Cool Green. Now, as an artist, bro, mas Team Red ka ba? Team Intense Red ka ba na passionate and spontaneous? Or Team Cool Green na very cool, suabe lang, and inatake lahat with plan?
I think I'm a passionate person, but at the same time,
Perfect mix of both. Yes, sir. Alright. Awesome answer. Right there. Pero pag toothbrush ka naman, hindi mo lang pinagsample.
Actually, dalawang klase. Medyo mainit ngayon, so mag-green na ako.
Yes, sir. Gotcha, crystal clear. Now, why is being and looking fresh important as an artist?
As an artist, super importante lagi po look good and good smell, especially breath.
Right.
Hindi lang siguro as an artist, but kahit
As a regular person.
We
gotta be fresh all the time.
All the time. Smell good for other people. So, to make yourself confident also.
Exactly. Yeah, dun mo makukuha yung confidence mo, right? Fresh and your swag and vibey just like Felip. Without further ado, in line with Team Intense Red, here's the cafe version of Felip's Moving Closer. Only here on Wish 1075.
This is the moment. Yeah, I'm moving closer. Feels like a fresh new start. Feels like a fresh new start. Is the moment. I'm moving closer. I'm moving closer to you.
And there you have it, Wishers in 18, the cafe version of Moving Closer, courtesy of Felip right here. And in just a bit, he will do the other version naman, right? The lounge version in my routine, Cool Green. We're gonna pause for a few reminders, and yes, that's about it. Maraming salamat. In the meantime, please stick around because in just a bit, i-refresh ko kayo doon sa ating mechanics para malay nyo, doon sa 10 locking mananalo, isa kayo doon. Alright, maraming salamat. Stick around, keep on wishing. This is Wish 1075.